Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to explain about how many times each character occurs in the given string. Simply, the occurrence of each character in the given string. Suppose I am taking one string S equals to, they have given like this. Of course, the capital letters, any other things, multiple times I am writing. How many times the each character occurs, right? A simple logic we can write. For that, what we have to do, the characters, so definitely within the range of ASCII. So what is that ASCII range? Is 0 to 255. So first of all, you have to take one array of length is 256. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Right? I'm just writing like this: 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, and so on up to 255. So I'm declaring one array with the size is 256 because alphabets, nothing but uppercase alphabets, lowercase alphabets, right? Symbols and digits, all in the given range of this array only. So now what we are doing means what? I'm just repeating the loop and to get each character from the string. And that is the simple way to get each character of the given string. First of all, we will get A. See, as soon as you created the array, all locations initializes with the default values 0. All locations initializes with the values 0, 0, 0. Like this, all locations will be default values. Now what I am doing, first character I am checking. First character. After checking the first character, I am just converting into that ASCII value is a 97. Right? Small a ASCII value is 97. Yes, it is 97. So 97 location value, I'm increasing by 1. Just I'm increasing by 1. Okay, 0, 0 increment to 1. Next, what I'm doing, again, I'm repeating the loop. So second character I'm getting, that second character is also A. So again, that A, I'm converting into that ASCII value. Is we know that simple way to convert. That is 97. So that 97 location, again, I'm increasing by 1. So that value become 2. Value become 2. That is, see somewhere here it is in that string, in the middle, some dollar, any other characters, all characters allowed. Na? For example, here I'm taking capital A. So whenever I'm collecting that capital A character, that value is a 65. ASCII values. 65. And that 65, we are checking. So where the 65? Somewhere that 65 value become 1. So this is the simple way of finding each character occurs how many times. Each character occurs how many times that we are printing. So then how can we display? We are not printing the complete array, right? We are repeating the loop from first location to last location. From first location to last location, we are repeating the loop. But we are not printing whenever 0 is present. So whenever that location value is not equal to 0, first we are printing the character, that location ASCII converting into character A, and how many times repeated? 1 time. Suppose here it is, whenever it is 97 is not equal to 0, is a small a, is a repeating 2 times or 3 times like that. Right? All values printing. This is the simple way of finding each character occurs how many times. That is the one. See, let me show you with example. I'm taking one string. String S is equal to 4 times, 5 times, and the dollar also I'm writing to make you more clear. That is, any characters you can take, capital letters, small letters, right, digits, special characters, anything. But now I'm declaring one array, ARR equals to new integer of 256. 256. Now, each character I'm collecting. We know how to find out the each character in the string. I equals to 0, I less than length, S dot length. How many characters are there? Those many times, or less than or equal to length minus 1, because index starts with 0. No? So 0 to minus 1, length minus 1, I plus plus. How you will get each character? How you will get each character? We are collecting that character, ch is equal to. So what is that? How to get the character? Caret of I. Now we are checking that integer value of that character. Integer value. See, I'm collecting int x is equal to ch. Directly you can convert. No, sir, manually I will show means what? You can write like this. The character, I value 0. 0th location character is A. That A converting into integer 97. So in the array, ARR of x. ARR of x means what? ARR of 97 location will increase. Will increase plus plus. Just increase by 1. The value will increase in that location. Simply you can write plus plus. That's all. That is enough. Next again A value. Second character. I value increase na. Second character A. So again, so what is that A? Right, value 97. Again 97 value only will increase. Already 1 become 2. Right, like that we are finding. And finally, I'm repeating the loop. I equals to 0. I less than 256 times you have to repeat. I plus plus. When you are printing, if ARR of I is not equal to 0. 0 means what? There are no elements in that location, no characters in that string. So if it is not equals to 0, then only we have to display. If it is not equal to 0, we have to display. How to find out if it is not equal to 0? Just system.out.println. First character you have to display. Index. I means index na? I means index. Suppose index is a 97 because a value located at 97. That 97 character we have to display. Character of I. It will display only characters. Next, just one colon plus how many times occurs. The value inside this one, ARR of I. So that ARR of I we display. ARR of I. When you run this code, look at this. $4 times, A 3 times, B 4 times, C 2 times, D 5 times. This is the way we are finding, right, how many times each character occurs in the given string. Hope you understood. And this is almost this logic almost used, right, to find out the logic for different types of strings. So work on it. Execute the program and check the output. Thank you.